Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I got 3 cameras today. One attached to my chest, one just under my seat facing backwards, and one on my rear rack facing forwards. I just want to see what kind of footage I can get. Today we're going to cycle through some of the poor neighborhoods. Some parts the government have actually built them new houses. Let's just hope it doesn't rain. But I've been sitting around at home waiting for the rain to stop, and it looks like it's going to rain for the next couple of days. So I thought, what the hell, might as well get on my bike and go. If I'm going to get wet, then I get wet. Okay, so now we're in the these are the new houses that the government built for the people. There used to be wooden shacks, and they basically trespassed on this area here and built houses, a small community. And then the social workers, they came in, and they spoke to the residents here about what do you think if we built you proper housing? And they all agreed. So they laid out a plan. They drew a plan as to whose house was situated where, how big the plot of their land was, how many people lived in the house, etc., etc. And they built these houses exactly to the to the requirement of the people, which is a pretty amazing project, I would say. It's nice that they have proper housing, and some shack made out of bits and pieces. This is the first project, this location. We're going to go under the bridge, and that's the second project that they worked on. That should be almost finished now. Let's see if I can go this way. No, I can't go in there. It's okay. Now you can see the back of their houses. I must commend the authorities for building these houses for the people. You have a nice house, you have a bit of pride. That's a good place for your family to live in. Okay, I gotta go under the bridge here. Oops. I don't particularly like the idea of a Brompton going off-road. I always worry about a puncture. There used to be an old guy who lived under this bridge. Believe it or not. I think we got relocated, perhaps. Okay, this is the second project that they've been working on. Oh, there's a drencher over there. Look at that. Oh, I've never seen them do that. Oh, the boat is moving along with what do you call it? With the digger. Doesn't have its own power. That's interesting. the second phase here, you can see the houses are blue. I don't know why. Maybe the residents on this side have said, oh, we want blue houses. Oh, there's some graffiti on the wall. That's nice. Let's go and have a look at that. Just said university. Okay. That's pretty cool. There's someone here taking photos. Are these houses still, what do you call it, being built here? I'm gonna get told off by someone. Oh well. Oh, I haven't put the stairs in yet. So this is the first story. The first floor is about 24 square meters. That's the bathroom there. That's about a 24 square meter space downstairs and another 24 upstairs. It looks like on the other side of the river they're also building some houses over there as well. There's some durian for sale. Yeah, like I said earlier, I mean, the size of the house depends on what size you had initially. So if you were living alone or living with you know, one other person in a small house, and you get a small house basically. Amazing that the sun came out. It looked like it was going to continue raining all day. These houses, these ones are bigger, aren't they? Yeah. I wonder if I had passed that way. Oh, I don't know. Over here looks a bit iffy, yeah? Falling in the river. Okay, I can go under here. Oops. Morning up. I have no idea who that was. He had no idea who I was either. As you can see, the alleyways in here are pretty narrow. You got to navigate it or risk falling into the canal below. Oops. I hate to think what it's going to be like if there's a fire with all the houses being wooden. But these housing estates, they got volunteer firemen. Whoops. There's a dog shit over there. Whoops. Hi, dog. What are you looking at, dog? Come on, get out of the way. I don't want to fall in the canal. I find it easier to control the bike when the bike is on a higher gear. As you can see, there's no way in and out by car at all. You either walk or have a motorbike. Stop and help. Oh, by the way, I changed the pedals on the Brompton. The ones that came with the bike are a pain in the ass. Speaking of the pedals, I put one of these MKS detachable pedals on. I don't know which way to go. I'm on the lowest gear on the Brompton. Stop here for a second. Let's just get a view of what the housing estates are like. As you can see, this is what they used to look like before they demolished them and then built them concrete houses. As you can see, they protrude into the canal, and they also dumped everything into the canal, their water, their trash and everything. So now with proper housing and proper, what do you call it, irrigation, the problem of the canal being dirty and clogged up should hopefully go away. Let's see in a couple of years' time. I wonder when they're gonna come over here and speak to this community about developing you know, houses for them. I guess we gotta wait and see. Oops. Actually, I wonder if I can go in through this way. Let's find out. Never been in this way before. coffee. Two PM, time for coffee.